Hi, my name is Brian Martens. I'm a blacksmith. So, Arc+Flame Center started about 6 years ago. So we started with nothing, built it up and expanded the school, bringing in additional instructors. It's really changed from what started for us at learning from someone in their garage to having a kind of state-of-the-art facility here where we can really teach a lot of people and impact a lot of lives. That's tough. There's little aha moments when you figure out something for the first time and you get that little bit much better. So when you're taking a class and you're really concentrating on improving your work, it's those little moments that add up. The hammer and anvil are together, they look simple, but they're so versatile. When that hammer drops, falling randomly or being smashed down, there's actually a lot of thought that goes into it, which takes a while to master or even get somewhat proficient at. You're using all different sides and faces of the hammer, differing your blows, varying how it's hitting on the anvil to produce different shapes underneath it. I tend to make more utilitarian objects. I like to make tools for doing other forge work. I like to make woodworking tools, household tools like corkscrews and bottle openers, boxes, little steel ones, copper ones. I like to make things that are useful, that have a purpose. So that whole form follows function thing. Just because it has a function doesn't mean it can't be pretty too. So it's fun to make things that are useful yet attractive.